Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Shaz Creations. This is Aisha Jamila Karabangu. I'm the Shabi and Shaz Creations. Today's series is on the Psoriasis Package. So what I'm going to do is really, this is the background you're seeing is our website. And the Psoriasis Package is right on the skin correctional products. And then you see Psoriasis Package right here. When you click on that package, this open up to right to the product that you're going to be looking for. The package will come with 4 soaps. We can change any of these soaps as we see fit, but this package at this time will consist of 4 soaps. Even when you buy the package later, it still be 4 soaps. A soap might be replaced as we enhance our skincare products. The very first soap you're going to see is the warm waters Victorian, which is the brown soap right here. That is your detox soap. That's your exfoliating soap. That is the first soap you're supposed to use. Please, before you use this product, go find how to take a bath or how to take a shower video right on our YouTube channel, and you can follow the instructions how to take a bath. And you're going to use this soap for 4 to 10 days. Why 4 to 10 days? Because your skin, our skin turns around and turns over every 4 to 10 days. So you want to be able to feed your skin different nutrients and different ingredients from all these soaps. So now that you've used the detox soap for 4 to 10 days, you're gonna take moisturize with the Moisture Max after you finish taking a shower. Then you're gonna rotate to any of the other soaps for 4 to 10 days. Then you're going to come back and do the same rotation. So at Shaz Creation, we believe in soap rotations. We believe that if you rotate the soaps, your skin will get all the benefits from each and every one of the soaps. 2, that because your skin turns over, it's essential that every time it turns over for you to be feeding it a different nutrients. Also, when you rotate soap, your skin doesn't get used to that soap, so that it doesn't work after a while. But if you rotate the soaps, you actually fooling your skin to be able to acknowledge and receive all them ingredients, all them nutrients that your skin are so craving for. Also, if you want to go and reorder after you finish the package, you can always come right back to the website shazcreations.com /psoriasis packages, or you can just say shazcreations.com, and on the skin correction, the psoriasis package will be right there. Now, the other thing I wanted to talk to you about is if you are using the psoriasis package or the eczema package, it is very good for you to go to the American Association of Dermatology website YouTube page. There is a beautiful video that they've made on how to use bleach bath. Yes, the word's bleach bath. It is very good for your skin. It didn't come from me, it came from American Association of Dermatology, but I do believe in it, and I strongly recommend that if you have eczema or psoriasis that you use this bath, because it really just enhances your skin and it helps to get rid of all the dead skin and all the bacteria on the top layer of your skin. You need to check it out. If you have any questions, you can always reach me. My name is Aisha Jamila Karabangu. I'm the Shabi and Shaz Creations. My phone number is 401-481-6529, or you can go on the website and send me an email. I thank you very much for watching this series. This has been the Psoriasis Package series and how to use it. Thank you. God bless.